Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up install a NEMA 6-50 outlet for EV charging step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. You will need a NEMA 6-50 outlet, an electrical box, wire, a circuit breaker, and a drill. Ensure you have safety gear, including gloves and goggles. Turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker panel. Use a voltage tester to confirm that the power is off. Locate the spot where you want to install the outlet. Mark the area for the electrical box. Use the drill to create a hole for the electrical box. Install the electrical box into the wall securely. Run the appropriate gauge wire from the breaker panel to the electrical box location. Follow the local electrical codes for installation requirements. Strip the ends of the wires about ½ an inch to expose the copper. Connect the grounding wire to the green screw on the outlet. Connect the two hot wires to the brass screws on the outlet. Make sure to tighten all screws firmly. Ensure that all connections are secure and properly insulated. Carefully tuck the wires back into the electrical box. Attach the outlet cover plate securely over the outlet. Go back to the breaker panel and install the circuit breaker. Connect the other ends of the wires to the circuit breaker following the correct color coding. Turn the power back on at the breaker panel. Test the outlet with a voltage tester to ensure it's functioning correctly. Your NEMA 6-50 outlet is now ready for use in EV charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.